Hello everyone, here is another amazing Olympiad algebra challenge which says 7 raised to the power of x times 7 raised to the power of x equals 70, and our task says find the value of x. Let's solve this together step by step using the laws of exponents. The first thing is, let's understand what this question is all about. Notice that both factors here have the same base, and whenever two powers have the same base and are multiplied, then we have to add their exponents. The exponent rule says a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n equals a raised to the power of m plus n. Since both exponents are x, then 7 raised to the power of x times 7 raised to the power of x will give us 7 raised to the power of x plus x, which is equal to 7 raised to the power of 2x. So our equation becomes 7 raised to the power of 2x equals 70. The next thing is, let's write 70 as a power of 7. Let's check 7 raised to the power 1, which is equal to 7. 7 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 49. 7 raised to the power of 3, which is equal to 343. Now, since 49 is less than 70 and also less than 343, that means 70 is not an exact power of 7. Back to our equation, 7 raised to the power of 2x equals 70. Now let's take the logarithm of both sides. Using base 10, which will give us log 7 raised to the power of 2x equals log 70. Now let's apply the logarithm power rule, that is, the exponent will come to the front, which makes it 2x log 7 equals log 70. Now let's divide both sides by 2 log 7, which will give us 2x log 7 divided by 2 log 7, and also log 70 divided by 2 log 7. Log 7 cancel log 7, 2 cancel 2. So on the left side we have x, and on the right side we have log 70 divided by 2 log 7. Let's approximate the value. Using common logarithms, log 70 will give us 1.8451, and log 7 will give us 0.8451. Let's substitute, which will give us x equals log 70 is what? 1.8451 divided by 2 times log 7 is 0.8451. That is, x equals 1.8451 divided by 2 times 0.8451 will give us 1.6902. So 1.8451 divided by 1.6902 will give us 1.092. Therefore, our x equals 1.092.